In front of me is Huawei Honor 8A, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Language and Input. If you would like to change language, you have to click on Language and Region, so it's the first possibility here, and then click on Add Language. Here you've got all the languages that you can apply, so smoothly scroll down, find and pick the one that you want to have. And in my case it can be, for example, Portuguese, and then tap on Change to make it a default language. And from now on, as you can see, the whole device is in Portuguese, so you can smoothly use it in this new language. And then whenever you want to change it again, whenever you would like to apply some other language, you have to change it one more time, just the same way. Speak languages and input, go to the languages, and then you can either delete the unnecessary language, just mark it and tap on delete, or you can exactly the same way add a language from the list. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.